Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mathematic Learn with Ease. So today we are going to learn some tricks which are very helpful in competitive exams. So here we start our questions. Here we have some questions now. See here. Under root of 20 plus 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 dash 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 up to infinity. So we have to find the what is the answer. This is equal to how much we have to find. So to find this, first of all we have to find the factors. We have to add factors of 20. What are the factors of 20? 1 20s are 20. Okay, 2 10s are 20. Next, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20, and 20 1s are 20. After writing these factors, all these numbers, we have to find those two numbers whose difference is 1. For example, 20 minus 1, 19 is there. 10 minus 2, 8. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 10 minus 2, 8. 20 minus 1, 19. But we want those two numbers whose difference is 1. So 5 and 4 are those two numbers. See here, 5 and 4 and 5 are these two numbers whose difference is 1. So for this type of numbers, what we have to do, for this type of problems, we have to take the two numbers whose difference is 1, and from these two numbers we have to select the big number. Okay, why? Because here plus sign is there, so we are selecting the 5. Okay, if here minus symbol is there, for example another question is there and the symbol is minus is there here, 20 minus, for example 13 minus 13 minus 13 minus is there, like this. So what we have to do, for minus symbol we have to take less value, for plus symbol we have to take big value. Okay, so the answer is what? Here plus symbols are there, no, and these two numbers whose difference is what? 1. So we are writing what? We are selecting these two numbers and we are writing what here? 5. Okay, once again I will repeat. So we have to take, for example we have to take, here question is there, we have to take 20, then factors of 20, we have to select any two numbers. For example these two numbers are there whose difference is 1. Whose difference is 1, keep in mind. So whose difference is 1? 4 and 5. 5 4s are 4 5s are is 20. Okay, so if here plus symbol is there, that's why we are writing, we are taking 5 value. Okay, if the symbol is minus is there, we have to take 4. Next our question is under root of, our next question is under root 12 minus 12 under root 12 minus under root 12 minus under root 12 minus dash 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 minus dash 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 up to infinity is there. So again we have to do, what are the factors of 12? We have to see that factor whose difference is 1. Okay, right, like this solving means it will take too much time, but see here, what are the factors of 12? Cut. So our next question is under root of 12 minus 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 dash 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 up to infinity. Again what we have to do, the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12. What? 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. Okay, 12 1s are 12. Now difference is what? Here 11. 12 minus 1 11, 6 minus 2 4, 4 minus 3 1, and here 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 2 4, 12 minus 1 11. So now our next step is what? We have to see that number whose difference is 1. So what are that numbers? 3 and 4. So here my, what I told, plus symbol is there means we have to take big value, but here what is there? Minus symbol is there, so what we have to take? Small value, that is 3. Okay, so our next question is, see here, under root of 11 plus 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 dash dash dash. Okay, now now what are the factors of 11? 1 11s are 11, 11 1s are 11, but the difference of these two numbers is what? 10. Why? Because 11 will not come in other table, only in two tables it will come. 1 11s are 11, 11 1s are 11. So then we want 1, but here not there. So one formula is there, under root of 4a plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, for which? For plus symbols. Okay, then for, if for example 11 minus 11 minus 11 minus is there means what we have to take? Under root of 4a plus 1, here minus symbols are there means minus 1 by 2. Okay, so next what? Now under root what is the formula? 4. Then a is what? A is the number. A is what? A equal to what? The number itself. 11 plus 11 plus is there, no? So 4 into 11 plus 1 by 2. So what is 4 plus 1 here also? 4 into 11 plus 1 as it is. Then this plus 1 also we have to write like this. Then what next? 4 11s are 44 plus 1, then this plus 1 as it is by 2. So 44 plus 1 is how much? Under root 45 plus 1 as it is by 2. This is our answer. So for plus questions we have to write under root 4a plus 1 by 2. For minus questions we have to write under root 4a plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, why? Because for this number we are not getting factor whose difference is 1. That's why we are taking this formula. We are using this formula to solve the solution. Okay, so subscribe my channel, press bell icon for more interesting videos. Stay connected with mathematics learn with ease.